Hello everybody, this is World with Winterbrose, and in this video segment we're going to pulse mode blending. We're going to show you how to focus on a selected item inside the viewport. We're going to be using Blender version 2.83.4, and we'll get started here. So basically we're going to go to edit mode, and we're going to select a particular that vertex right there in the front corner. So what we're going to do is we're going to pan this off over here. So basically, let's say we got this is a simple model, but if you had a really complex model and you're trying to home in on something you was working on, so basically on the numeric keypad you would press the period to bring the focus to where you're selected, and you can see here it brought that dot right to the middle of the viewport here. And if we scroll out a little bit, you can see that's actually what was working on. It would do the same for whatever you have selected. So let's rotate around. Let's go to select this particular face, and then let's move this back out of the viewport here, and then let's just go ahead and hit the dot, and there you go. You can see if we zoom out like here, you'll see the face is in the viewport. Now it didn't rotate the object, it just brought that to the center. So if the selection is on the other side of the object, you'd have to rotate around it. This same technique works for objects, for any of your components like your vertices, your edges, or your faces. So just to go ahead and show you that real quick, we're going to add in a couple meshes here. Let's put a monkey in here. And we're just going to move that monkey out of the way real quick. And we'll just go ahead and add another one real quick. Let's say, let's just put a cone in there. We'll put it way over here. So let's say you was working on this three-part model and the cone is selected and it's an actual object that's selected. Again, you can hit the dot and you'll see the view in the viewport goes straight to that cone. So you also got to realize that hitting the let me go ahead and pan this over a little bit. Let me go ahead and show you something. If I put this over here, you see I'm hitting the dot right now on the numeric keypad, but nothing's happening. It's not bringing anything to focus. You actually got to have your cursor inside the viewport for it to work, and there you go. See? And so that's how it works. So that way, if you have something selected and you're working on a particular area, you can always keep your focus on the area you're working on. Hope you enjoyed this video segment, and have a great day.